Hello everybody and welcome for a new 3D video. This video will be about how to make a chess game in 3D because I wanted to have a chess game in 3D, and most importantly my gun videos are in a little bit of stop because I ran into issues like you can see in the last video, and I don't have time to correct this issue for the next week. So I made a quick video about this because I wanted also to make this, but it took less time, so I have time to reflect about a new design for the gun. So I want to make a low poly game, and this is the pawn, the most important piece, because it can be turned into anything else, and making it in 3D makes me able to make a lot of them. So this is how it will look like approximately. I wanted it in low poly, but I cannot make other than a ball for the height part because I just don't know how to make a low poly sphere, so I just make it with the lowest 3D printer experiences I can. But this is looking like a joystick. It's not very nice, but I think it makes it work and it's nice. So I will make better pieces for the other, like the king or queen. And this time we have a time lapse of the 3D printing time that took approximately 30 minutes, and it's in like 10 seconds of video, so it's very nice. As you can see, it print well. So see you the next week for a 3D video, and the next Monday for a gameplay video. Thank you for watching all, and have a nice day.